Bitcoin is at all-time high, almost, and the alts are starting to pump. Here's my next move, and I'm going to hopefully show you something that you've not seen before. Now, the majority of people that know me know that I love Bitcoin, so it's still 95% of my portfolio. Just look at that. In the last month, we're almost over 60% in terms of price increase on my investment, so it's a great investment for me long term. But I think the time is getting close to taking profits off the table. Why? Let me show you. The global cryptocurrency market cap has increased by over 3% today, and pretty much everything within the crypto space is looking rather positive. But there are some standouts for me, and if you're from the XRP army, you'll want to listen to this. Finally, XRP has had its day, or month, whatever you want to call it. It has performed at the same time as Bitcoin. Now, if you will remember from the 2021 bull run, we never saw any form of movement from XRP in a positive manner when Bitcoin moved. This time seems to be different, and XRP has broken out, and in the last month is up over 23%. Something that I do pay close attention to is this: the amount of Bitcoin held on centralized exchanges. Why is it important? Because frankly, when people are storing their assets on centralized exchanges, it suggests there is potential movement, because we all know it's not 100% safe to be saving your assets on an exchange. So they're looking to maybe buy, sell, or trade the asset. Now, in the last 24 hours, you can see tons of exchanges here with an increase in the amount of Bitcoin they have stored upon them. Does this suggest a sell pressure? Potentially, especially when you look at the following. Dogecoin is up over 130% in the last month, and it's looking like it is following the peak of Bitcoin. And what we saw last bull run was when Bitcoin came up, people would take profits and put it into alts, and Dogecoin was one of the winners last time. Pepe is up almost 700%, again following the trend of Bitcoin. Now, on a much smaller scale, you know that I like this, and I told you that I bought it the other day. Well, I actually bought it several weeks ago. Sync. It's up over 500% in the last month. What does this show? This showed that people are basically looking for alts, looking for alternatives to Bitcoin and Ethereum. When you look on crypto bubbles, you can clearly see that a lot of the big winners, they're not in your top 10, they're not in your top 20 cryptocurrencies. Just look at the way that they're performing. There is one final thing that I really wanted to share with you. This is on the 15-minute chart. When you see candles on the 15-minute chart of up to 3K sell-offs and instant recovery, you are seeing huge volume. This means it's not retail like me and you making the price movement. This is large-scale investors. But what does make retail make me happy? It's the fact that we're seeing some of the alts move. This is allowing me to make a different decision when it comes to the way that I invest, and I will be taking profits out of Bitcoin and investing in some alts. I'll keep you updated on which ones I go with. At the moment, I'm looking at XRP, Sync, Pepe, Doge, because frankly, there is definitely room in your portfolio within any form of market, to be honest, but especially a bull run for alts. Stay tuned, do your own research, invest in utility, community, and remember, all of this is a Ponzi scheme scam. You can lose your money at any point. Good luck, and let's go.